Alright, now we'll go over a few variations. This first one will be the half-buried horizontal mattress or the corner stitch, which is perfect for properly securing these stellate style wounds. And again, 4 points of contact, here, 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 and here, roughly. And this will bring the apex together so that it's easier to suture the ends. So we'll do that one first, and then I'll show you some of the other variations on the ends here. So we do our first one. Oops. Then our next coming here. And now our last one. And there you go. And then we tie across these two. Alright, I'm just going to do the basic knot as before for now. And there we go. You can see how it brings all the edges together and slightly everts them. So next over here we'll do the horizontal locking mattress suture. So all the same, once again, for now. I'm going to do the entire bite. Now this time we want to leave extra thread on the side, and you'll see what I mean. So we don't go all the way through on this other side. So we pull it through, have this little loop, we pass the needle through that, and pull there. And now with the end, we go across and make our knot here, and we'll review the slip knot again properly. We do the first one overhand, so only one loop. We can leave that loose, and the second one overhand, and then pull, push that down, and use your finger to guide it down as well. There we go. Then once we have the tension we want, then we pull it in opposite directions. Even then, it's still a bit loose. Just goes to show something I can spend some time working on. But yeah, we still brought the edges together, approximated, I showed you the knot, so it's alright. I'll give myself a pass.